Well, hi everyone. I'm going to do something totally different today. I'm going to be using acrylic paints, which I've got a purple, this one's a metallic silver, and this one's a metallic gold. And as you can see, they're folk art. And for the base of the nail, I'm going to be using this quicksilver on the base of the nail, on them all. And also I should be using one of these, and I'll show you inside there when I'm ready. And also, where's it gone? I should be using some cotton, but it's not ordinary cotton, it's a little bit thicker than a normal cotton. But I'll show you how that's going to work. So I'll get things ready and I'll be back. So it only needed one coat, and I've cured it for 60 seconds. It is a little bit tacky, but I don't think that's gonna, but there again, yes. I shall get the tacky layer off with the wipe off solution because I think I need it to slide more. So I will get that off and I'll be back. So while that's drying off, I'm going to get a piece of the cotton, and I'm going to cut off, I don't know, about 6-8 inches, I would think, if I can find my scissors. Just slice that off there. Then with this, I'll get the lid off. As you can see in there, that's the purple, and in there is the silver and the gold. Now what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to put it into the paint, and I'm going to actually make sure that it's covered in there, so that when I pull it through, it's still covering everything. Waddle it about a bit to make sure you get all the colour. And then lift it up. And then just go on the side just to get any bits off. So I'll just get rid of that and that. Then we'll bring the hand in again. Bring it down. Then all you've got to do, just get that little bit off the end again. All you've got to do is place it down, and then you make a circle with the cotton, and then when you get to the end, just pull it down. What an effect is that? I don't know if I could get two out of this. I will try. You never know. As long as it turns around. I have to excuse me hand in the way till I can manoeuvre it round. Wow. See if I can get another one out of it. Be amazing if I can. Like I say, you've just got to make sure that it lies down on the nail. I might not be so lucky with this one because it looks as if it's a bit dry now. Get it round there. through. Well, it is a different effect, put it that way. So I just push it into there again, and let's see what I can do on the little finger again. Hopefully it'll go round. It's getting a little bit stiff. Like I say, you'll have to excuse my hand while I try to get it down. Let's see if I can manoeuvre it round a little bit. Get that out of the way. And pull this one. I can't believe what effect that makes. That is beautiful. Just by pulling a piece of string. Then obviously, because this is an acrylic paint, obviously it's got to dry. And make sure you dry it thoroughly. But this is an alternative way. I mean, the first one there, like I say, you can keep dipping it in. But that first one there is amazing. How easy is that one? I do like the marble effect. It's so different. Well, I hope you have a go at that. I mean, most people have acrylic paints. And like I say, the only thing is you've got to wait till it dries before you put your top coat on. But, well, hey, I suppose you could do it in gel polish if you give it a go. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching, and hopefully see you in my next. Bye!